All right, so one of the things that you'll need to do with our second semester, if you are an exploratory teacher, is you are going to need to assign grade books to your new groups of students. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to be logged in here as Doreen Swanholm, as you can see, and I am in the scoring tab of Empower 3.0. We're going to start off by selecting a group. I'm going to select a 7th grade class, and you'll notice when it goes to select a gradebook, there's nothing there. That's because I need to assign a gradebook to this group. So I'm going to hit the little plus sign. And instead of going to create a gradebook, I'm going to go to find a gradebook. And I'm going to look for a gradebook created by Doreen Swanholm. I'm going to click the Go button, and I can see gradebooks that she's already created. I'm going to click on the 7th grade one. And notice I've got a little review here of the different learning goals that I want 7th graders to learn and that I'm going to keep track of with the gradebook. I'm going to click the Assign button in the upper right hand corner here, and then simply click on the groups that need to have this assigned to them. I'll hit the little X, hit this X, and this X, and now with this particular group I can choose this gradebook. I now have my roster of students on the left hand side and my learning goals going in columns across the screen. All right, so this is how you go about assigning gradebooks to your new groups of students for the second semester.